Hey there! Before we dive in, quick reminder. If you fancy boosting your credit and getting a cheeky discount, click the link in the description below. Right, let's talk about Kovo versus Credit Karma. Both are big names if you're trying to build or track your credit, but which one actually deserves a spot in your digital toolkit? First up, Credit Karma. It's like the free vending machine of credit scores. You get your credit score, credit reports, and even personalized tips for nada. Credit Karma's whole vibe is chill and helpful. They'll even nag you if something weird pops up on your report. Plus, it helps you shop around for cards, loans, and even auto insurance, all tailored to your credit profile. But here's the thing. Credit Karma is like your mate who can tell you what's wrong with your car, but won't help you fix it. It's brilliant for tracking progress, but doesn't actually build your credit. Enter Kovo. Now, Kovo's a bit different. It's more like the personal trainer who actually helps you get in shape. Kovo lets you subscribe to digital courses and reports your monthly payments as a line of credit to the bureaus. That means every on-time payment can give your credit score a little boost. Plus, the subscription is super affordable, less than your average Friday night takeaway. But heads up, Kovo isn't free. You pay a small monthly fee, but think of it as an investment in your financial future. And yes, they report to the major credit bureaus, which is the whole point, right? So if you want to keep tabs on your credit and get advice, Credit Karma's your go-to. If you actually want to your credit with a simple, low-cost plan, give Kovo a try. Remember, links in the description if you want to grab a special offer and start building your credit today. Give it a click, your future self will thank you. Cheers for watching, and let me know in the comments which one you're leaning towards. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check that link below. Catch you next time.